Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start making the most of your rewards with Chase step by step clearly. To start making the most of your rewards with Chase, you first need to create an account on the Chase website. Visit the Chase homepage and click on the Sign In button. If you don't have an account yet, select Not Enrolled. Sign up now. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and create a user profile. Once your account is set up, log in to your Chase account. Next, review the different rewards cards offered by Chase. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits. Consider factors like cashback, travel rewards, or points systems. After selecting a card, apply for it directly through your account. If approved, familiarize yourself with the card's reward structure. Set up automatic payments to avoid any late fees and earn more rewards. Regularly check the rewards program for any special promotions or bonus categories. Learn how to redeem your rewards by navigating to the rewards section of your account. Explore different redemption options such as gift cards, travel, or statement credits. Keep an eye on your spending to ensure you're maximizing your rewards potential. Consider using your Chase card for daily purchases to accumulate points faster. Take advantage of any referral bonuses offered when you recommend the card to friends. Stay updated with Chase's email newsletters for personalized offers and promotions. Regularly monitor your rewards balance to track your progress. Finally, adjust your spending strategy as needed to optimize your rewards over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.